Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of hassle-free moving with the VENO 8-pack moving bags, your ultimate alternative to traditional moving boxes. These clear, rectangular bags are designed for convenience and durability, offering a spacious 23-gallon capacity and capable of holding up to 50 pounds. With dual carrying options, you can effortlessly transport heavy loads using the robust backpack straps or strong handles, making them perfect for moving into a college dorm or new home. Forget the hassle of removing clothes from hangers. Simply zip up your garments with hangers intact, and enjoy a seamless moving experience. The bags feature a clear tag pocket for easy labeling and organization, plus a wide opening for effortless access to your belongings. Ideal for camping trips or compact spaces like dorms and RVs, these water-resistant bags protect against moisture and wildlife, ensuring your items stay safe and organized. So, whether you're moving, camping, or just need extra storage, VENO bags are your go-to solution for a streamlined and efficient experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.